Hi, this is Donna Wiles, your Math 3 teacher, and this is the fifth, I think, and final review video that I have planned for the unit on polynomials. This particular video covers complex zeros, real zeros, and possible rational zeros. The number of complex zeros in a polynomial function is found simply by looking at the degree of the highest term. The highest valued term in this particular function is x to the fourth, and its exponent is 4, meaning that the number of complex zeros, the number of solutions that it could have, is 4. So B is out and D is out. The possible number of real zeros is dependent upon the possible number or the actual number of complex zeros of 4. Real zeros will start with this number, the number of complex zeros, and count down by 2. So therefore 4, 2, and 0 is the correct answer. Possible rational zeros from the rational root theorem will take the factors of -48 divided by the factors of 1, which is x to the fourth. The factors of the constant divided by the factors of the leading coefficient, meaning that we should look for all of these to be factors of 48 over 1. Or -48 over 1. And we see 48 and 24 and 16 and 12 and 8 and 6 and so on, and every one of those is a factor of 48, making our answer A. I'm going to hopefully hide, some of the answers in the next set so that you can look at those. I'm going to pause this and make sure it's lined up the way I want it to be. On the next 3 screens, when you advance to the screen, I want you to pause the video and choose what you think is the correct answer, because I have set it up so that this little asterisk is not showing, so that you can actually see what your possible answers are, and I want you to apply what I've told you on this one to choosing those answers before you hear the answers. So we're going to go on to the next slide, and then you're going to pause the video. You should have taken a look, and based on the highest exponent of 3, known that the number of complex zeros is 3. That should have told you that the number of real zeros, or the possible number of real zeros, had to be 3 or 1. Then your possible rational zeros would be factors of 5. For a correct answer of 5 in the numerator and a denominator of 1 for a correct answer of B. Now let's go on to the next one. Pause the video. Taking a look at this particular problem, the highest exponent is 5 for a number of complex zeros of 5, which means the possible number of real zeros is 5, 3, or 1. And your possible rational zeros should be factors of 20 over 1 for an answer of A. The last problem. The last problem, the answer is C. 5 is the number of complex zeros because of this 5, and the possible number of real zeros is 5, 3, 1, and the possible rational zeros are factors of 40 over 1. I hope this helps you. This is the final video in the review sessions on units of polynomials. Thanks a lot. Let me know if this helped, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all.